Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your carrier and plan allow 5G and that your phone model actually supports it. Once done, plug the phone in if battery is below 50% to avoid interruptions. Next, create a quick backup to iCloud or Google Drive so you can restore settings if something goes wrong. Finally, enable Wi-Fi for faster downloads and check you have at least 1 GB free. This prepares you for the system update that follows. You now download and install the latest operating system and any carrier settings updates. These often include 5G radio improvements. After the install finishes, restart the phone so firmware updates apply cleanly, then check the modem or baseband version in settings to verify the update. Once restarted, go to mobile network settings and choose 5G. Set it to auto first, then test. If you have a standalone option, read carrier notes before switching. These control how your phone uses. You finish by testing the connection. Run a speed test and confirm the phone shows 5G in the status bar while in a known coverage area. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode on and off, then restart. Next, reset network settings, which clears stale profiles. If problems persist, gather screenshots and modem logs and contact your carrier for provisioning checks. One key troubleshooting tip. A network settings reset often resolves hidden conflicts between carrier profiles and new 5G firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.